Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook date and time format. So if you want to change this, just simply go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side, then click on settings and privacy, click on settings again from here. And on the left hand side, scroll down and you will find an option that says language and region. If you click on that, you have the section for region format. So you can easily click on the format for date, time, and numbers, and you'll be able to find something in the list that you actually want to use. And as you can see right here, there is a bunch of different options that you could choose from. As you can see right here, these are my two suggested ones. And of course, I can choose something else if I want to. Keep in mind that these are just the format. It doesn't affect the language itself, but it affects a certain region. So if you want to use it for a specific region, for example, you could choose that. So just go through and find something that you want to choose and go ahead and choose it. But that's pretty much it, guys. So let's say I want to use the United States English format. I can choose that. And of course, it's going to go ahead and change for me. I could also choose, for example, this one here, and it will choose for me. I can choose between different options, as you can see right there. But that's pretty much it, guys. Go ahead and choose whatever format you want for your date and time, and you can use it. Very easy and very simple.